The kidneys, shaped like beans and nestled in the lower back, filter approximately 200 quarts of blood daily, removing waste and excess fluids to form urine. They are instrumental in maintaining the delicate balance of electrolytes, such as sodium and potassium, contributing to blood pressure regulation. Healthy kidneys are not only pivotal for waste elimination but also play a crucial role in preventing the buildup of toxins in our bloodstream. When kidneys function optimally, they ensure the body retains essential nutrients while efficiently excreting waste. Kidney health is directly linked to various aspects of our well-being, including cardiovascular health, bone health, and even the production of red blood cells. Diet plays a pivotal role in either supporting or straining the kidneys. A high intake of certain foods can lead to conditions like hypertension and diabetes, which are primary contributors to kidney disease. On the contrary, a thoughtful and well-balanced diet can be a powerful tool in promoting kidney health and preventing potential complications. Now, without any further delay, let's delve into and discuss foods that help repair your kidneys. Number 1. Kale. Kale, a dark leafy green that has garnered attention for its nutritional density, emerges as a nutrient-rich ally for kidney nourishment. Among its impressive array of vitamins, kale stands out for being particularly high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Beyond its role in kidney health, vitamin C enhances iron absorption, aiding in the prevention of anemia, an important consideration for individuals with kidney issues. Vitamin K, abundant in kale, plays a pivotal role in blood clotting and bone health. While blood clotting may not be directly related to kidney function, the broader impact on cardiovascular health is noteworthy. One of the key considerations for individuals with compromised kidneys is potassium balance, as excessive potassium can be harmful. Kale, while being a rich source of various nutrients, is relatively low in potassium compared to some other leafy greens. This makes it a favorable choice for those looking to meet their nutritional needs without overloading on potassium. Balancing potassium intake is essential for individuals with kidney issues, as the kidneys play a crucial role in regulating potassium levels in the body. Number 2. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, a versatile cruciferous vegetable, earns its place among kidney-friendly foods due to its low potassium content. For individuals with compromised kidney function, managing potassium intake is crucial, and cauliflower provides a nutrient-rich option without contributing to excessive potassium levels. Balancing potassium is essential for kidney health, as the kidneys play a vital role in regulating potassium levels in the body. Maintaining optimal potassium balance helps prevent complications such as hyperkalemia, which can pose serious risks to cardiovascular health. Cauliflower, with its nutritional profile and low potassium content, becomes a valuable addition to a kidney-conscious diet. Beyond its low potassium content, cauliflower offers additional benefits for kidney health. It is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the immune system and aids in tissue repair. The antioxidant properties of vitamin C contribute to the body's defense against oxidative stress, which can be a contributing factor in kidney damage. Cauliflower is an excellent source of dietary fiber. Adequate fiber intake plays a role in digestive health, and individuals with kidney issues can benefit from incorporating fiber-rich foods like cauliflower into the diet. Fiber helps regulate digestion and can contribute to overall gut health, an often overlooked aspect of supporting renal well-being. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the video, take a moment to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. We're here to help. Number 3. Red grapes. Red grapes, beyond being a delicious and refreshing snack, emerge as a supportive ally for kidney health thanks to the presence of resveratrol, a polyphenol renowned for its antioxidant properties. Resveratrol has been a subject of considerable scientific interest due to its potential in combating oxidative stress, a factor implicated in kidney damage. The antioxidant effects of resveratrol extend beyond the kidneys, positively influencing the entire cardiovascular system. As kidney health is intricately linked to cardiovascular well-being, incorporating red grapes into the diet offers a multifaceted approach to supporting overall renal health. This anti-inflammatory prowess contributes not only to kidney health but also to the prevention of other inflammatory conditions. The systemic impact of reducing inflammation underscores the holistic benefits of incorporating red grapes into the diet. The skin of red grapes, where resveratrol is predominantly found, holds additional benefits for kidney health. Certain compounds in grape skin have demonstrated kidney protective properties, potentially shielding these vital organs from damage. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, with their vibrant orange hue, emerge as a nutrient-dense carbohydrate that contributes significantly to kidney health. Among their array of vitamins, sweet potatoes are particularly rich in vitamins A and C. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system and maintaining the health of renal tissues. The antioxidant properties of vitamin A contribute to the body's defense against oxidative stress, a factor implicated in kidney damage. Sweet potatoes, with their high vitamin A content, become a valuable addition to a kidney-conscious diet. Vitamin C, another potent antioxidant found in sweet potatoes, is vital for tissue repair and regeneration. Sweet potatoes are a rich source of dietary fiber, an essential component for digestive health. Adequate fiber intake supports regular bowel movements and contributes to overall gut health, an often overlooked aspect of supporting renal well-being. For individuals with kidney issues, maintaining optimal digestive health is crucial, as conditions that affect the kidneys can sometimes have secondary effects on the digestive system. Number 5. Apples. Apples, one of the standout features of apples, is their high dietary fiber content, particularly soluble fiber in the form of pectin. Dietary fiber plays a crucial role in digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and supporting overall gut health. Apples are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which contribute to their vibrant colors and potential health benefits. Antioxidants play a pivotal role in protecting cells from oxidative stress, a factor implicated in kidney damage. By incorporating apples into the diet, individuals can actively contribute to cellular protection not only within the kidneys but also throughout the body. The broad-spectrum antioxidant effects of apples, aligned with a holistic approach to supporting overall well-being, highlight their value in a kidney-conscious diet. The high water content of apples adds to their kidney-friendly attributes. Staying well hydrated is crucial for kidney function, as proper hydration supports the kidneys in filtering waste and maintaining electrolyte balance. While water intake can come from various sources, including beverages, incorporating hydrating foods like apples contributes to overall fluid balance. This dual benefit of hydration and nutrient intake underscores the value of apples in a kidney-conscious diet. Number 6. Onions. The key player in onions' health benefits is quercetin, a potent antioxidant that belongs to the flavonoid family. Quercetin has been associated with a range of health benefits, including its potential to combat oxidative stress, a factor linked to kidney damage. The antioxidant power of quercetin extends beyond the kidneys, contributing to overall cellular protection. The anti-inflammatory benefits of onions extend systemically, impacting overall inflammation levels in the body. This broader impact aligns with the interconnected nature of organ systems, reinforcing the significance of onions in a comprehensive approach to health. Onions contain sulfur-containing compounds, including allyl sulfides, which contribute to the distinctive aroma and potential health benefits. These compounds play a role in supporting the body's detoxification processes. Detoxification is a vital aspect of kidney function, as the kidneys play a central role in filtering and eliminating waste products from the bloodstream. By including onions in the diet, individuals may support the natural detoxification mechanisms, potentially easing the load on the kidneys. This indirect support aligns with the broader goal of promoting kidney wellness through dietary choices. Number 7. Salmon. Salmon, a fatty fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, emerges as a nutritional powerhouse with profound benefits for kidney support. Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are renowned for their anti-inflammatory and cardiovascular benefits. These fatty acids play a pivotal role in maintaining kidney health by addressing inflammation, a common denominator in various renal disorders. The anti-inflammatory properties of these fatty acids extend to the renal tissues, potentially mitigating inflammation associated with chronic kidney conditions. Salmon stands out as an excellent source of high-quality protein, essential for maintaining overall health and supporting kidney function. Unlike certain high-protein foods that may contribute to kidney stress, the protein in salmon is well-balanced and easily digestible. This makes it a favorable choice for individuals aiming to meet their protein requirements without imposing undue strain on the kidneys. The amino acids derived from protein intake are crucial for tissue repair and regeneration processes vital for kidney health. It's crucial to recognize that dietary adjustments for kidney health are not reserved for those with existing renal conditions. Rather, they serve as a proactive measure for anyone seeking to fortify their well-being. Our dietary decisions today lay the foundation for a healthier tomorrow, and the journey toward kidney health is an integral part of this overarching pursuit of holistic wellness. A balanced diet is not about deprivation but about intelligent choices that align with our body's needs. Incorporating kidney-friendly foods into our meals doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or culinary pleasure. On the contrary, it opens up a world of delicious possibilities, proving that nourishing our bodies can be a delightful and rewarding experience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to having you join us in the next video.